In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with Crypto.com. Whether you're new to cryptocurrencies or just looking to explore a new platform, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. First, you'll want to go to the Crypto.com website. If you're unfamiliar with it, this is where you can sign up for an account and access all the platform's features. Once there, you'll see an option to sign up. It's usually located prominently on the homepage to make it easy for new users to find. Clicking sign up will kick off the registration process. The next step is to create a new account. You'll be prompted to provide some basic information to get started. This is standard procedure and ensures that your account is personalized and secure. After entering the necessary details, you'll see an option to verify your email address. This step is crucial as it confirms that you've provided a valid contact method and helps secure your new account. Now, after verifying your email, you'll be directed to enter your mobile number. This is another layer of security and necessary for two-factor authentication, which is a vital step in keeping your account safe from unauthorized access. Entering your mobile number will allow the platform to send you verification codes as needed. Once your phone number is set up, it's time to create a passcode. This is different from a password and is part of a security measure that protects your transactions and sensitive actions on the app. Choose a code that's easy for you to remember but hard for anyone else to guess. Afterward, make sure to confirm your passcode by entering it again. This small step ensures there are no typos or errors in your entry. Now it's time to verify your identity. This may seem like an extra hurdle, but it's crucial for your security and is required for you to fully utilize the platform. When you click to verify, follow the prompts and provide any necessary identification documents if requested. This part of the process can take a little time, so be patient and ensure that all your details are accurate. After submitting your identity information, click Continue to proceed to the next screen. Here you'll start the verification process. It's mostly automated on Crypto.com, but do be prepared to wait a short while, as this can take up to a few hours to complete. Once your identity is confirmed, you'll be notified and you'll gain access to all the features and tools Crypto.com offers. So, there you have it, your step-by-step guide to getting started with Crypto.com. Once your account is fully verified, you're ready to explore, trade, and manage your crypto assets with ease. Thanks for following along, and enjoy your journey into the world of cryptocurrency.